So what's up guys, it's Pranav from Hightech. So guys, in this video we will talk about the most expensive phones. Yeah, all of you know about it. It's the iPhones which are latestly launched, and we will talk about iPhone XS and XS Max XR. So let's begin this video. So what's up guys, it's Pranav from Hightech. If you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and follow me on my social media accounts. Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, you all know about it. Links are present in the description and you can see the handle's name over here. Now, let's get started. So first let's talk about iPhone XS. It is having 5.8 inches of screen and it is having pixels of 2435 into 1125 pixels, and it is having iOS 12 in it, and it is having IP68 rating. You can keep the phone in the water, in 2 meters of water for 30 minutes. Straight 30 minutes. That is what IP68 is. So now let's talk about its dual facing camera on the back. So it is having 12 megapixel of upper camera with f1.8 and the other one is of 12 megapixel also, and it is having f2.2 aperture, and and it is having OIS and OES both in this phone. And now let's talk about its front facing camera. The front facing camera is of 7 megapixel. You can record up to 1080 pixels and you can record in 60 fps. That's how cool it is. Slow-mo will look ultimate. So now it is having a Bionic 12 chip in it, which makes it strong and powerful device. Yeah, its screen size is less, although the device is great. And so it is having battery of 2658 mAh of battery in it. Yes, that's its battery. Yes. In India I don't know the price because they haven't revealed the price in India, but from my side I think it will go above 1 lakh. So you can see you have to buy or not. Prices will go higher and higher with the storage. 64 GB I think lakh, and 128 around 1.5 or above. So it is having pixels of 1242 into 2688 pixels in it. iPhone XS Max. So let's talk about its camera. The cameras are the same. It is having 12 megapixel on the back. It is having dual camera. One is of 12 megapixel and the other one is also of 12 megapixel, same. And the front facing camera is of 7 megapixel, same. All the features are same, but the screen size is not same. It is having 6.50 inches of screen. The XS is having 5.8 inches of screen, so the screen size differs. Everything is same in this device. Yes, it is having IP68 rating. Yes, all things are the same, and the battery is higher than the XS. The XS Max is having 3659 mAh of battery, something like that. But it is having 3500 something like that mAh of battery. You can see on your screen it is coming. Yes, so recently Apple is launching their XR in India, so it is having all the features same. It is having 12 megapixel rear facing camera, but it is having one camera on the back, no dual camera present on the back. It is having 12 megapixel of rear facing camera, 7 megapixel of front facing camera, and the pixel becomes lower. It is having 828 into 1792 pixels, and it is having screen of 6.10 inches of screen. Yeah, the screen is bigger, the pixels are smaller, and it is having one camera on the back. Yes, let's talk about its prices in India, because they are recently launching this device in India. So let's talk about its prices. So the 64GB variant is about 76,900. Yes, this is the price of the 64GB variant, and the 128GB variant is priced at 81,900. Yes, it is about 80,000, around 80,000. 81,900 is this price, and the 256GB variant is priced at 91,900. So you can see the price goes up with the storages. Yes, this is the price which are launched in India, and soon it will come in India. You can pre-order from Apple website, and whatever they have partnership with, you can pre-order from there. So these are the devices which have Apple launched in India. So now the question arises, these devices are worth buying or not? So as per my recommendation, they are not worth buying because they are very much overpriced. I know still some Apple fanboy or very rich guy will buy these, not rich, but they will buy these by giving their kidneys to the doctor and getting the money and buy these phones. So yeah, but they are not worth buying. At least you can see the prices, they are going above lakh, and I can't tell. The phones are great, the phones are very much great. I can see the improvement, the Apple is improving every year. Yes, the phones are great, the screen sizes are also great, and I love the phones also. I love it. I'm still using an iPhone, but still the prices are a bit higher than before. They are gone above lakh. I don't think so these phones are worth buying, but still some of you will buy these devices. But from my side, I don't think there are many devices which are in the market. You should buy them. I don't think you should buy these devices. They are very much overpriced. There are OnePlus, Xiaomi. I know you get into the brand and you want to buy these, but still you should see the prices and go through it and think once more, are you doing right? You're getting the right phone for yourself. There is no Note 9 also, you should buy that also. I don't think you should buy these. These are very much overpriced. From my perspective, I don't think you should buy these. I don't recommend you these overpriced devices, the very much overpriced devices. So yeah. So that's pretty much it for the video. If you like the video, then hit the like button, and if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe it now, and we will grow more and more. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav, and I am signing out.